Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Going to be putting in a special fence for cucumbers and stuff, so stick around and check it out. Alright, so what we're going to do is, you see I already put a couple stakes in. See, I can't see the screen, get the other one over there. So we got two of the big T-posts in. We've got the smaller T-posts. We're going to put it in between it at an angle. We've got a 50-foot roll of 2x3 wire fencing. We're going to lay that across on it, and that'll give a support for the cucumbers and cantaloupe to grow up on, and it'll support the fruit without putting a lot of downward pressure on the vine itself. Okay, so what I did was I wrapped the wire around, and they had 4 pieces that they had cut long on it to wrap around to hold the roll together. So I just wrapped those around the back side, and that'll hold it that way. Now I'm just going to roll it on out and hook it on the little hooks, and we'll see how it goes. All right, so fence is up at an angle. Now we just need to go along the bottom here and plant the cucumbers and some of the cantaloupe. All right, so be back in a minute, or a second for you. All right, so now it's time to put the holes in. I'm going to use my Craftsman 19.2 volt drill with a planting auger on it. All right, let's take a look at what we did here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And what these will do, these will just grow right on up the fence. We'll train them up. These are cucumbers, and got a couple cantaloupes here. We'll do the same thing with the cantaloupe, and the rest we're just going to let grow out on the ground. And we'll compare between the two. And we've got a bunch of some cantaloupes here, and then we're getting into some squash, and we got a bunch of squash out here that they just planted. The squash here they got for free. One of the neighbors that has a greenhouse, had planted everything that she needed to plant, and she always seeds extra in case they don't sprout. Some of these have 2 or 3 or even 4 plants in them. So like this one over here has 4 plants in it, and so that one has 2. So that's what was done. All right, well, that's it for this bit of gardening. And just as a reminder, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe, down below, click on that little red button that says subscribe. It'll turn gray, and then a little bell pop up next to it. Click on the bell, and then you can choose all or none for notifications. If you choose all it means you're going to do is get an email blip saying that I have posted a video, and that's it. I'll include what the title of the video is, and you can decide whether or not you want to watch it. You don't have to watch it, but that way you don't miss out on any of the cool videos I post. All right, and as always, stay happy, stay safe, and stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video.